Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 435D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see there, the vehicle is presented in Alpine White, features a full BMW Mperformance Kit alongside some very sought after options. At the front of the car you can see the wonderful carbon fibre front splitter, gloss black Mperformance kidney grills, Angel Eye Xenon headlamps. The car also comes equipped with the very sought after BMW 613 Mperformance alloys. We've had those professionally refurbished in gloss black. They do also come with Michelin Pilot Sport tyres all the way around, and sitting very nicely behind those you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. We've got the full M Sport Plus package on this 435D, alongside, as you can see over the top, the glass sunroof. Currently I've got that slid all the way back and I'll show you the operations of that shortly. Sun protection glazing on the rear windows. It is a exemplary example of a stunning two-door coupe. As you can see there, comes with oyster Dakota leather with the electric movement and memory for driver's side, Harman Kardon surround sound, an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course all of which is going to work extremely well with that wonderful X-Drive four-wheel drive system. Rear passengers can enjoy the 2x2 Isofix rear seat, central folding armrests, and all brought together nicely and illuminated very well of course by the sunroof as well as the darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around to the back of the car now, we'll again show you off these wonderful BMW 20-inch alloy wheels, and at the back there's a carbon fibre rear spoiler to match that wonderful front split. It's a really nice mixture between that and the Alpine White. Satin rear diffuser. It's also got a rear facing reversing camera, and again of course I will show you that in a little bit more detail shortly. The boot space for the two-door coupe 4 Series is absolutely massive. The seats do also fold down on this vehicle as well of course. And around at the driver's side, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and those gloss black alloys really do stand out really well against this beautiful Alpine White. So inside the car, the special features don't stop of course with the exterior on this 4 Series. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen. We've also of course got dual climate controls along with switches for the front heated seats. We'll begin by showing you the rear facing reversing camera. As you can see there, we've got front and rear parking sensors with that as well. We'll quickly pop the sunroof into the tilt so we can show you that towards the end of the video. A couple of other standard features now, the widescreen sat nav, of course a really user-friendly system. The car itself's covered just over 37,000 miles, so it's a nice low mileage example, especially for a 2016 vehicle. Bluetooth audio and telephone, alongside a wide array of other multimedia inputs including DAB, AUX, USB and the fabulous music collection. If we go through into the vehicle service screen, we can show you all of the service requirements and service history. Down at engine oil, you can see there it's not due one for 11,000 miles time. Up at service history, 2 recorded services from BMW. So there is a look around this magnificent 435D with the full BMW Mperformance Kit, including those very eye-catching alloys. And of course now I can show you what the sunroof looks like in just the tilt. Thank you all very much. If you want to find out a little bit more about this wonderful car, follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thanks once again. Do of course take care. Bye bye.